What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about the Fair Credit Reporting Act and how it directly affects consumer reporting agencies. Remember that the purpose of your credit report is to actually determine your credit worthiness. So if you have any errors at all on your credit report, this can actually cause you to be denied for credit, employment, insurance, and even rental properties. Any furnishers that report information about you to the consumer reporting agencies must abide by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This is enforced by the Federal Trade Commission, which has guidelines set in place on responsibilities to report information that is accurate, complete, and to investigate consumer disputes about the accuracy of the information they're actually providing. So with that being said, there's a section of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, section 623 to be exact, which requires agencies in the Federal Trade Commission to issue guidelines, prescribe regulations, and reinvestigate disputes. On today's video, we're going to be focusing on the guidelines that the furnishers have to follow regarding the accuracy and integrity of the information they're reporting. And I'll cover some other two requirements of section 623 in a later video. So with the Fcra, they require that if a furnisher furnishes any information to a consumer reporting agency, they must include specific items relating to the information they're actually furnishing. This includes credit limits, disputed information, closed accounts, and even delinquent accounts. Remember that furnishers have a duty to correct and update information if any information they have provided to the credit reporting agencies is inaccurate and incomplete, and they must promptly notify the credit reporting agencies and provide the corrections following on. And finally, if a financial institution extends credit and regularly reports negative information about the customer to the consumer reporting agencies, then they have to notify the customer that they are reporting the negative information. So for example, delinquencies, late payments, or any other form of defaults on your credit report. They must also provide the notice either before they furnish the negative information or within 30 days of furnishing it. So with that being said, I hope this information was helpful for you and it gave you more clarity as to the relationship between what's reporting and their consumer reporting agencies and how actually the Fair Credit Reporting Act ties everything together to protect me and you as consumers. So with that being said, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.